Welcome back to Perfect Fit Closets. So today's tutorial is how to set up your rate scheme as well as entering the tax scheme, installation scheme, and I think that's about it. Well, we'll find out here in a second. So get back onto your desktop, find your catalog manager, double click, open that up, go down to charges editor. Open that up. Okay, so let's go through each one of these tabs and I'll kind of show you what they're all about. So you set it up on the back end and you have the options while you're in the design to choose the schemes that you want. So you can always, so you're choosing the right schemes. Okay, so sales tax. Let me just delete that. Okay, so sales tax, I put it as PST, but you know what, let's change it. So sales tax, PST, I'm going to go edit. You can name it to whatever you like. So GST. Tax percent, 100 equals 1%. So because tax for me is 5%, I'm going to go 500. I'm going to hit OK. So the sales tax and service tax are global for all the catalogs, so keep that in mind. When we get into the other ones, you have to find a perfect fit catalog to make it work. Service tax, let's go to edit. I'm going to name this one as PST. And 100 equals 1%, so I'm going to change this to 700, sorry, 7%. Hit OK. Now we're going to get into shipping. So you see it says common, the common catalog. I don't want to do that. I want to find perfect fit. Perfect fit catalog. Okay. Once I found perfect catalog, I'm going to go into shipping here. And I'm going to hit 1 to apply the tax and to find percentage. Percent of value for shipping on design after discount. So shipping we recommend on the full amount of the closet design, so the retail or MSRP, the retail, that is around 6% is a good number. So after discount, 1 equals 1%. So let's go 6%. Okay, so we're going to calculate that in OK. The installation, we're going to find the perfect fit catalog as well. Right there. I'm going to go edit. So I named this one 10% installation on retail, so self-explanatory to me. We're going to go into bit 1 to apply it, and percentage of the appliances total after discounts. Here. Percentage of the total price design after discount. I want to do 10%. So 1 equals 1%. And this is the total percentage price of the design after discounts. Okay, so this is the installation. So total price 10%. Okay, I'm going to hit OK. And rates. So find the perfect fit catalog again. Edit. Okay, so here's where you want to play with your rates. So I did 1.65 and then plus my installation rate and then plus my shipping rate. So 1.65, 1.75, and then I did 1.81. So I'm at 1.81, which is pretty close to where I want to be. This is kind of where you want to fluctuate it, depending on your market value where you are. you can, if you wanted to not show the installation cost or the shipping cost in your quote, you wouldn't click on those. You would leave those all at 0. Then you would increase your overall markup on the cost, your cost of items. So because we were at 1.81 with the extra costs, you can change this to 1.81, 1.85, even 2 to get the cost that you're looking for. Okay, so please keep that in mind. Right now I have a 1.65 that works for me, and then you would hit OK. So you can change your you can change the user code, so variable rate, or you can go perfect fit rate. Okay, you hit OK. Perfect. So perfect fit rates, awesome. So you've selected all those. You made sure that's all the perfect fit catalog. Good. Okay, so we're going to close out of this now. So you've set that up on the back end. Now we're going to close out of this and open up 2020. My computer's a little bit slower, but still works. Okay, so we just want to make a continuous wall, and I'm just going to place a cabinet onto the design. So I'll find the perfect fit catalog, get our modules, or any item that you wish. So I'm just going to do a tall module, place it into there, 2 openings for fun, resize them, just a habit of mine, place it onto the wall. Perfect. Now you have some product to actually price against. Okay, so now we're going to go into presentation. We're going to go into reports. Now we're going to find the cost and sell. Okay, so we'll do this one first to check that the 65% markup on the actual cost of the items is correct. So we're going to go OK. We're going to hit view right away. So now remember, this is your margin that you're doing. So so your margin plus installation plus shipping and then plus taxes, of course. We didn't fill any of this out, not to worry. Oh, my apologies. Let's get back out of here. Let's go to sorry, I forgot this. Go into styles and pricing. So items, styles and pricing. Click on that. Here we go into catalog charges. We're in the perfect fit file already. Find perfect fit rates. Make sure that shows up there. Now we're going to be active. Okay. Go into design charges. Find your sales tax. Hit the GST. Find the GST. Find, it says PST. Oh, sorry, I should have switched that around. We can do that back in the catalog manager. Installation. We said 10% on retail. That's where we want to be. And shipping, it gives you the generic ones, and then this is ours, the 6% shipping retail. So you click on that. So every time you do design, you have to click on these variables. Okay, so for every design you do, you have to click on these to make them work. Just keep that in mind as well. So I'm going to hit close. Great, so that all works. Now I'm going to go into presentation, reports, cost and sell to see that my markup is correct. hit view, scroll down. Perfect. So now if you scroll down to the bottom, if you take this number, 222.57, times that by 1.65, you're going to get pretty much 367.30. All right, so that's where you can make sure your markup is correct. Okay, and all these items. So list and cost is the same price, and your retail. So that's the cost per the item, and then the incremental markup. Okay, so we're going to close this. Now let's go to reports and go to quote. And hit quote and hit OK. Go to view. Wait till it loads up. Scroll down. So these are all your parts. 367.30. Here's your quote, 367.30 plus your 6% retail at 22.04 plus your GST at 20.96. Your PST is 29.82 and the 10% retail. So if you're charging this out to your contractors, they may want to see the what they would charge back to you for installing the job, or however you want to set it up internally. So the end of the price is $476.85, and there we go. So you close back out of that, and that's how you get your charges. So again, please keep in mind that if you don't want the final client to see the installation, see the shipping, and those additional charges on the quote, you have to increase your markup on the 2020 catalog editor and increase it from 0.65 to a higher number to calculate for all those extra charges. And then you would just go into your items, you go into your styles and pricing, and then not click any of these on. So you would just remove them, Okay, you can keep your GST and PST on, and then you hit close. Back up to options. Oops, sorry, wrong button. Back up to presentation, reports, quote, and hit OK. Scroll down. Oh, sorry, they're still there. Where was that? Presentation, items, sorry, styles and pricing. I should have said unset, not delete it. Okay, unset, then close, then into your presentation, reports, quote, okay, view, scroll down, and then all you see is GST and PST. Alright, so that's your quick tutorial on how to set your GSTs, PSTs, and your price scheme. Alright, thank you so much.